my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing our night cleaning routine. So I like to do majority of our cleaning at night. That way we wake up to a clean space. Of course, I'm not always in the mood to clean at night, but I always try my best to do so because it really just helps us save time in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing some cleaning, and I'm also going to be doing a grocery haul. Today's video is being sponsored by NitraaB Market. So I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I picked up from them. And yeah, I really love shopping with NitraaB Market because they do offer member prices, so it makes it a little bit more affordable because you guys know organic food can be on the expensive side. So with NitraaB, you are able to save some money with some of those items that normally would be more expensive in a regular grocery store. So NitraaB is pretty much on a mission to make healthy living obtainable and affordable for everyone. So I am all here for it. So if you guys want to check out NitraaB Market, then I'll have a link in the description box below. You can join today and get 40% off, and you also can get a free gift. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I picked up. I'm always just really impressed with everything that they have to offer on their website. Like I was telling you guys, they have food, beauty, cleaning supplies, pretty much anything. They even have frozen items. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I was able to pick up. So as I was telling you guys, with NitraaB, you are able to get members prices, and with the members prices, you get 25 to 50% off traditional retail prices. And there's two different membership options. So the 1 month membership is $9.95 a month, or they have a 12-month membership where you pay $5 a month and you're billed $59.95 at once. So that's the one that I personally prefer. So you're just able to get more bang for your buck. Here's a few of the things that I picked up. I love the snacks that they have on their site because they are healthier options. So that's always a plus. They have some really awesome spray on avocado oil that's really great. I love using olive oil to cook in, so I also picked up some of that. And they do offer frozen food, but they'll send that in a separate box. So here's some of the items that I picked up that are frozen. We have these little oatmeal littles, and Uriah really likes these, so I like to keep those in the freezer. And I really wanted to try these vegetable egg rolls, so I decided to pick those up. But they have so many different options on their website, so be sure to check them out. And don't forget, you can get 40% off your first order and a free gift. So everything will be in the description box below. And now I'm just putting everything away, and I'm gonna do a really quick cleanup. So really, the kitchen isn't all that big of a mess because we had takeout on this day. Best thing about ordering food out is that you don't have to mess up the kitchen. A few times throughout the day, so I just like to clean all the parts at the end of the day. So I have the Spectra breast pump, and then also I have this Mom Cozy one. It's actually hands-free, and it's a cheaper alternative to the LV or the Willow. And I loaded the dishwasher earlier that day, so I'm gonna unload it and put everything away. I'm gonna dry off all the parts and put everything back together so the next time I have to pump, everything will be ready. Make sure that I'm wiping down the countertops at the end of the day just to make sure that they stay in pristine condition. And I'm using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray. NitraaB Market does have Mrs. Meyer's products, and I love the different fragrances that they have in the spray. And off from the kitchen, we have this little space for the play area. I always make sure that I'm cleaning it up at the end of the night, but it really isn't that bad. Uriah is really great at picking up his toys whenever he's done with them. He's gotten really great at that, so I don't really have that big of a mess in here at the end of the day anymore. Just him being a little bit older helps with that. Up in the living room just to get everything back in order because we do have a 3-month-old. We tend to have a few baby things out, like the swing and this little chair thing, and we do spend a lot of time in here, so at the end of the day I do have to do a quick little pickup just to get the space back put together and in order. Seem to just leave their shoes anywhere and everywhere, so I'm just gonna take these to the stairs so that I can take them up whenever I go upstairs. And now I'm gonna wipe down the coffee table and also the end table. Whenever I do my nightly cleaning, I usually focus on the kitchen, living room, and play area because those are the spaces that we're in the most and they normally just need the most attention. So the very last thing I like to do is just vacuum over those areas, just a really quick vacuum. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then be sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to check out NitraaB Market. You can get 40% off of your very first order and you can get a free gift. So I'll have everything in the description box below. And as always, I will talk to you all in the next video. Bye!